Hey, welcome back. We got this box. It's got some tape on it. I'm gonna see if we can get into it. See how long it lasts. I think we can crack this thing open. Yeah. All right. Got it. New knife today. Liong design. It's the Liong design Tempest, made by Riot. Kind of an impulse buy. This must be an older design. I don't know too much about it. I've seen some reviews that are like 8 years old. The thing looks pretty cool. So I found one and picked one up. Neat little mill lines there. Pretty large knife. Big handle. Nice big back space around there. Titanium. A wild, kind of pokey little pocket clip. It's pretty cool. Let's give it a first flick. Woo! That is one neat looking blade. It's like stone wash. Some satin flat here. Jimping. It's not a super thick blade. It's pretty decently thick. It's an interesting stonewash finish on there. What do we got? S35 VN. Definitely a larger knife. That was cool. Oh. See. Bronze hardware. This thing is definitely beefy guy. And the action is awesome. Perfect detent. Shoots right out. Definitely a big blade for your measurement. This thing's built like a tank, man. Got your stop pins in there. Roll with the blade. It's interesting. Liong Design Tempest, made by Riat. Just having a first quick look at it. And the detent's amazing. Chunk. Shoots. Fires it right out. Very comfortable in hand. Like when they notch this out for your front finger on some knives. Just fits right in your hand. Good stuff. Liong Tempest. Gonna go check it out. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.